Hi everyone, this is Poonam Mashru here from DMTI Soft Pro. I'm on chat with somebody who's asking me about the Facebook marketing and Instagram marketing course. So while I was answering via my text, I said, why not make a video? So let's do this, right? So why is Facebook and Instagram marketing so important? Please understand today there are 2+ billion people on Facebook. We are touching nearly 1 billion plus on Instagram. What does that mean? It basically means that people are spending their valuable time on these platforms. In fact, on Facebook, 1.6 billion people are active. What do we mean by being active? When I say active, that means people are visiting these platforms on a daily basis. That means Facebook has 1.6 billion people active on that platform. Instagram not far behind with 1 billion active users. Please understand the word active is extremely important. Now when people, that means your prospective customers or people are spending their time there, that means their eyeballs are right there on those platforms. Then for marketing, it's very important, whether you're marketing a product or services, then it's important for your brand to be on those platforms, correct? Now, what is the course contents? So what is the course contents of this course? Please understand we are going live. That means we are online. We have this Facebook and Instagram marketing course online, which is a mere 1 week course at 2 hours per day. So what do you learn in this course? Please understand this course is for people who have never got the feel of Facebook marketing, per se the ad part of it, the promotions, the advertisement part of it, right? So when we start this course, we start first with teaching you how to make the business pages of Facebook. Once you learn how to make the business pages of Facebook, you learn the entire settings, you learn to sync Facebook and Instagram together, then you move on to the ad platform of Facebook. What I mean by the ad platform is the advertisement, the ad manager platform. Here, basically what you will learn is, you will learn how to give ads on the Facebook and Instagram platform. So what kind of ads are we talking about? We're talking about brand awareness ads, reach ads, traffic ads, video view ads, app install ads, how to get engagement for your page. So basically how to give ads for post, how to give ads for page likes to your page, how to give ads for your events. So these are the entire ad manager that is covered with you. So this course is very good for people who have no exposure basically to the Facebook marketing earlier, and now they either want to market their personal business or they want to help their clients market their business on Facebook, Instagram, or if at all for lead generation. Please understand today people are using Facebook marketing and Instagram marketing for major 3 things. Your first thing being brand awareness. Please understand, when people are spending 2+ hours per day on this platform, that means minimum 2 hours. I'm not talking about an average of 2 hours. I'm saying minimum 2 hours a person spends on these platforms. Then it's only natural that you start marketing your products there. So first thing for brand awareness. Second, to get more customers. When we talk about traffic ads, basically what we are doing is we are going to be teaching you how to create ads which kind of get a person interested in your product, and when he clicks on that ad, he goes back to your website. So these are called traffic ads, right? Basically which help you get customers to your website. So branding, traffic ads, and last of all, lead generation, right? So this platform is amazing for people who, if at all, want to learn Facebook and Instagram marketing from ad point of view, correct? So his next question here is, what are the course fees? As I told you, it's a 1 week course, 2 hours, Monday through Friday. The course fee for this is 2,999, which is an all-inclusive. It includes your notes, it includes your ebook, it includes your certification, that is your participating certificate, right? It's a all-inclusive fee of 2,999. There are some special early bird offers where you can call our counselor. The numbers are right there, and you can even download the brochure which is attached below this video, correct? So what are you covering in this course? I already mentioned to you what all we are going to be covering. So the entire ad manager, we're going to be covering 6 objectives, that is your branding, reach, traffic, video view ads, app install ads, and lead generation, engagement ads. Not only that, we'll be even covering how to engage with your prospective customer. What we mean is that what are the tips and tricks, what kind of post you should be posting, at what hours of the day you should be posting, what post will get you the maximum response from your prospective customer. So those kind of interactions are taken care of. right? And the next question he has is, where will this course be conducted? So basically this course will be conducted online. I'll be taking the course. In fact, I'll be co-hosting this course with another partner of mine. So we are conducting this course on a platform called Zoom. We'll log in at sharp 2 p.m. So it's an online course, and again it's from Monday through Friday. And what assignments? Yes, we do have 2 projects that we'll be covering with you, and we take a lot of question answers, FAQs, things like that. What will we get additional support after the course? Okay, so yes, you do get our support after the course in the form of, we create a WhatsApp group for all the students who have joined for the course. If at all you have your own page or something, then we obviously give you the insights to it. We teach you how to manage those page, how to engage with them, and what kind of ads to run for which business. Correct? So this kind of inputs are always given to you, and we have this WhatsApp group where you get our entire support, and that's pretty much it. So please understand, who should be doing this course basically? Someone who's a beginner in Facebook marketing, someone who's really looking at handling their own digital marketing activity. That means you want to handle your own social media advertisements. It's very easy to learn. You're with us. We take you step by step, right from the beginning to the end. That means right from the basic part to the advanced part of your ad managers and how to execute the ads. Not only that, we even cover your analytics. What analytics basically means is the insights. Once you run your ad, how is your ad performing? Whether you got the right kind of output that you were looking for. Were you going for the impressions? That means were you giving ads for branding? Were you getting the right kind of clicks? Was the relevant crowd responding to your ad? Not only that, today you and I both know that Facebook and Instagram marketing is great for insights. What I mean by insights is we get to know exactly what people are looking for. What again I mean by that is the demographics that this platform offers you. Let's say for example, if I'm into marketing of vegan goods, so I would be able to target my ad only to those people who are interested in vegan food. So a lot of insights, a lot of demographics you get in from these platforms, because we kind of share our behaviors on this platform a lot. We like the things that we like, and we kind of dislike the things, and we show our intent. Basically, we show our interest, we show our behavior on this platform. So this platform becomes very relevant when you're trying to get the right kind of customers. That means the right kind of audience to your ad. So come join this course, get the feel of Facebook marketing and Instagram. Please understand, this is not only a basic course, you will be able to manage your ads independently, right? So hop on, these batches start in the next week, and give us a call. All the best of luck.